Hi guys! So I'm going to show you how to do a easy eyeshadow glam look by using simple colors lang. So I'm going to stay away muna with the neutral shades and we're going to play vibrant colors. And I'm using Teviant Mademoiselle to show you how you can achieve this look. Yeah, so I've already wet my brush, but not that wet, just a little damp lang. Okay, so I'm going to use Cafe as my eye base and then apply it on the lower lid. Always blend the edges with a fluffy brush or a blending brush. Okay, so using the same eyeshadow brush, I'm going to use Provences. This is a combination of bluish violet color. Tap the excess and just simply apply it above the brown eyeshadow na nilagay natin sa ating eyes. Gently. See the color? Always blend. Okay, after the Provences, to make it more colorful, I'm going to add lamode. This is it's like a purplish, light purplish or lilac color, and I'm going to apply it just above the crease. Do it ever so slightly. Then we'll do this on the other side. I would like also to give additional tips when doing this kind of eyes. Make sure that the blush shades that you're going to choose is not too bright. Just make it more on a light and more neutral shade of blush. And for the lips, also choose a nudish type of lipstick. So we want to really focus here on this area, and we want to balance the look. So before I end this video, I would like to say big thank you to YouTubers Philippines, my family. Thank you for giving me tips and for pushing me to do contents, to do vlogs, to be inspired every day. Thank you for your support. Love you guys. And also to Vloggers Philippines, thank you for giving us knowledge and tips to be a good content creator. Thank you for inspiring us also to keep pushing and keep striving to be a better content creator. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Again, 500 subscribers, thank you po, and I hope you are always watching and learning from me. Yun naman ang pinaka-aim ko, that you will learn something from me guys. And road to 1,000 on the way na yan. So thank you so much guys. God bless us all. Bye!